A trait doesn't have a start point, a pattern does. And that's the whole difference. Almost nobody knows it. So here's the test. When does it not happen? Think about it. There's a room or an hour or a person somewhere it just isn't there. And if you can find one example where it doesn't happen, that tells you something important. It's conditional. It's not who you are. It's what happens under certain conditions. And what happens under certain conditions can change. Comment pattern, and I'll send you the 5 things keeping it running.